Hi guys, so this is another 5 tips for engineering students because I would like to add or change some things since I am currently working and I need to change the things that I have said on the past so that I can better prepare the aspiring engineers to really use their skills when it comes to real life. Number 1 is understand that you are not gonna achieve greatness alone. Whether you like it or not, you are just not gonna do things alone in college. You will need people to unleash your full potential. You need peers that has the same goal as you. You need to surround yourself with people whom you know you can benefit, and also they can benefit from you as well. So it is a two-way street on having to benefit from one another. Since people are different and you may have a difference in skill set that you can leverage from your peers or your group of friends, and they can leverage your own skill set, your own unique skill set as well. And I swear you do not need to face college alone. And when you do decide to follow this tip, please do not be dead weight to your peers, okay? Please do make sure that you contribute as well, because to be honest, it's much more relaxing to think that you are not gonna finish college alone, right? And the second tip is self improvement is the key. If there is importance in belongingness, then there's also important in self improvement, building yourself. When you build yourself, there is a tendency to contribute more to your peers, and in return, they will contribute more as well. They will try to replicate whatever value you have given to them. What I mean by this tip that you will absolutely have a hard time finishing college or building your career if you have the wrong mindset. What I suggest is go read some self-help books to help you become the best version of yourself, because as a young person, we are sponges. We tend to absorb the things we consume. We react to things very well. What I'm saying. Gather some information that will help you have a warrior's mindset, if that makes sense. Because no matter what you face, and I tell you that college and building your career is very hard, you will absolutely get back on your feet. And it will go a long way. I tell you, it will go a long way. The third tip is do more than what is expected of you. In everything that you do from this point on, there is always more to do than what is expected of you. And by doing more than what is expected of you, you will attract the attention of your friends, family, superiors. Not that they matter, not that their approval matters, but it's a great plus because it shows that you are improving without you really realizing it, but the people around you notices it. Because when you withhold your best work, you prolong your current situation. You are bottled up, confining yourself to mediocrity. In short, you're just going with the crowd, and we want to go against the crowd. We don't want our life to be scripted, right? Give everything you can offer to every work that you do. Resist the urge to only do what is expected of you, because once you successfully resist every urge, you're gonna level up and you will find your life. I mean, this vlog, it's just not about college anymore, it's about life. Because what you do now when you're still in college, you will bring that attitude, that mindset to your real life, to the real world. So better prepare now than later on in life. The fourth tip is, in order for you to get ahead, you need to be curious. As a computer engineering student or as a programmer, I really do not rely on the topics that is laid out by my instructors. I stay curious, I ask questions, and when you start asking questions, of course, you'll start getting answers. And those answers will undoubtedly give value to you. So search for knowledge, be thirsty for knowledge, and actually act upon it. Act together or along with it. If it requires you to code 3 hours a day, then do it. Just do it. And all my aspiring programmers out there, if you want to be a programmer, then you need to stay curious throughout your life until you die. If, for example, you're fed up with software, or maybe you have efficient knowledge, then branch out. There's always hardware. There's always this question on how software is built based on lower level abstractions, or how does a program allocate or deallocate memory. Those things. Whew. If you may notice, those 4 tips are kind of Hustlers University type of tips. Andrew Tate. Am I right? It really kind of is. Because those things require focus and effort. I need you to always remember to put things first that will benefit you in the long run. That said, we are also young. I don't know if you consider me young, but well, at least I look young, right? As young people, we can always start early in building our career and hustle our way throughout life. But I also want to give emphasis that those moments that you will be spending when you are young not be revisited, and it's a different story when you do those things when you're older. Time flies so fast when you are young. What I learned from the past few years is that always find time to enjoy the things that you find enjoyable. What the heck did I just say? I mean, some YouTubers would tell you that there's no such thing as balance. If you want to get rich, put all your time to it. There's no such thing. There's no such thing as balance. Don't play 1 hour of video games. Don't watch your favorite anime. Don't watch even a single episode of House of the Dragon. There is always time to build your success. I think there's also time to do the things you enjoy, your hobbies and whatnot. But the main thing here is you need to build discipline first. You don't want yourself to be overly stimulated by the things you consume, like social media or video games. And these things we call memories will stick with you forever. And I hope you will not regret not doing the things you want to do when you get older. So yeah, I hope you enjoy these vlogs, and I hope these tips add more to your insights. So yeah, that's it, and see you in the next vlog.